This is how to use the filters in the camera app. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the timer. To use a filter, you just touch make sure you're in photo mode. So we'll get it in photo mode. And then at the top, if you're holding it in portrait, but it's at the bottom since I'm in landscape, there's a little 3 circles icon. Touch that. And here's the original, which is no filter. Scroll to each type of filter to see if you want to take the photo with their filters. There's a lot of neat options. I think you can add these filters afterwards as well. You don't have to take the photo with it, but you can certainly use the filter before you take it. And then to get back, you just put it with the filter you want and then touch the 3 circles. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.